Temu, let's present the alarm clock. Black shell. Why did I go for black? I have a white and green setup. The light is at least green. Let me get my knife that I got from my lovely girlfriend. Spouse, this is spouse. When you're married, we're not married yet. Okay. Yin Yang Dongzheng Watches Electronic Industry and Trade Company. That's the stuff. So, what do we have here? Ooh. So it's not a USB. Everything is USB. This is USB. Yeah, for you guys who are picky with the words. Picky with the words. So you have the clock, which can be battery powered by one AAA battery. Yes. Speakers, I think. And you have your DC there. Screen protection. Yeah, let's just let it be for the moment. Then you have the snooze button, snooze, and light. You have a button that says S and a clock, minus and plus. What do these buttons do? Button number 1. 2 display modes. Display time only. Time, date, and temperature. Temperature. Yeah! I wanted that. I didn't know it had temperature display. It's probably not that accurate, but who cares? Button number 2. 5-gear brightness adjustment. So 5 different brightness modes. Yes. Alarm function. 2 alarms with single off. Double off. Daily alarm, snooze function. Okay, so it has a lot of alarm functions. Voice controlled wake up. Are you kidding me? What? 3 AAA batteries. Not 1, of course. So you just plug it in. Plug it in. Boom. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And then tap S. Boop. To set something. Tap S. Long press. Yeah. 12 hour, 24 hours. Yes. 12 hours. Then time is 9. 921. The year 2024. and it's the 22nd. Huh? Oof. Oh, night mode. Last one is night mode. Display mode. Plus, fine. Display mode setting. Long press plus the switch. $23 degrees. Maybe it's correct. Okay. Temperature unit setting. Celsius, it's the stuff. Brightness adjustment, press the blah 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 snooze button. Night mode. Enter low brightness automatically between 10 o'clock to 6. Yeah? Don't disturb me.